Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix blurry photos on your iPhone 17. So I know that some of you may think that this is the camera failure or something like that. No, it's a matter of the movement. At first open the settings and now scroll down to the camera. Here now you need to go and tap here the record video, for example, and enable the Enhanced Stabilization over here. If you have it enabled, enable lock camera. This will block your video from during the video from switching between all the lens that you have here. Apart from that, open formats and here photo mode for the 24 megapixels. Set it. Here set high efficiency and enable resolution control. Once done, you can here now go and exit here, open the camera application, and now here, as you can see here, you have the macro mode. Tap it to disable macro mode, and now even though I move my camera, the photo is not blurred. This is little blurred, but this is not blurred at all, as you can see, because it works like this. And even though here macro mode is disabled, if I take this photo, it's not blurred too. Maybe here a little bit, but this is because of my light and it's not adjusted at all. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.